Today is a weekend. Peppa, George and Grandpa Pig go to Mrs. Rabbit's store to buy a chocolate cake. Hello, Mrs. Rabbit. Hello, Mr. Pig. How are you doing today? Oh, I'm fine. Hello, Mrs. Rabbit. Hello. Mrs. Rabbit, do you have a chocolate cake? Yes, of course, I do. I will make a special chocolate cake for you today. I will use a white Play-Doh to make the first layer. Here is a mold. Here it is. Now I take a chocolate Play-Doh. Here it is, the second layer. One more white Play-Doh. And the last one. Our vanilla and chocolate cake is almost done. I decorate it with vanilla sauce, and a little bit more on the top. And I make a lemon topping for vanilla and chocolate cake. Mr. Pig, look, very beautiful vanilla and chocolate cake with lemon topping. Wow, it's great! It's really great! Thank you, Mrs. Rabbit. We go home to make a tea party. Look, Mommy, how beautiful chocolate cake we have. Oh, Peppa, it's really beautiful. I can't wait to have our tea party. Yes, the chocolate cake is really beautiful. Yummy, yummy. Peppa, George and Grandpa Pig go to sea adventure. Don't forget to wear on your life jackets, said Grandpa Pig. Oh, yes, answered Peppa. Look, Grandpa! Look, George! Here is a dolphin! George was very impressed to meet a dolphin. I will ask him where we can find sea treasures. Hi, dolphin! Can you help us? We want to find sea treasures. Oh, yes, I will help you. Just follow me. And they sailed to find the sea treasures. Look, Grandpa! Look, George! I see treasures! Oh, how lucky we are! Grandpa, look! Ariel is waiting for us! Hi, Ariel! Such a beautiful box! I can't wait to open it! Oh! They are amazing! Oh! Mommy Pig will be so glad! Oh, they are beautiful. Grandpa will be so glad. I love these sea treasures. Oh, this one is the best. I love this. No more? Okay, thank you, Ariel. It's time to go home. Grandpa, I'm so happy. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh. And they sailed home. Thank you, Dolphin. You are the best friend of our family. I love these treasures. Bye. Goodbye, Dolphin. Thank you that you help us. Hi, I'm Peppa Pig. More than anything in the whole wide world, I love jumping in muddy puddles. This is my little brother George. He loves jumping in muddy puddles with me. Pam pam pararam, pa ba pam pam param pam 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 pararam pam 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 pararam pam 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 pararam pam pam param pararam pam 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 pararam pam 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 pararam pam 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 pararam pararam pam pararam pam 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 pararam pam 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 pararam pam pam. This is a grass. And now we will make a muddy puddles. Pam pam pararam pararam pam pararam pam 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 pararam pam 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 pararam pam 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 pararam pararam pam pararam pam 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 pararam pam pam pararam pam pam pararam pararam pam pararam pam 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 pararam param pam 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 pararam pam pam pam. Let's go to jump in muddy puddles. Peppa loves to jump in muddy puddles. George loves to jump in muddy puddles. Mommy Pig also loves jump in muddy puddles. And Daddy Pig loves jump in muddy puddles. everybody loves jump in muddy puddles. Today is a weekend. Peppa and George asked Daddy Pig to buy Kinder Surprise for them. And now Daddy is coming back. Oh, Peppa and George, I have bought Kinder Surprise for you. This is for you, George. Oh, Kinder Surprise. And this is for you, Peppa. Oh, Daddy, I can't wait to open it. Mommy Pig, I have bought a tasteful cake for all of us. Oh, Daddy Pig, here's all this. We will have a beautiful tea party. I want to open my Kinder Surprise first. I love this pink Kinder Surprise. And yummy chocolate inside. Yum yum yum. Guess who is inside? Oh, it's a little bear. It's a lovable little bear. And now I want to open my Kinder Surprise. Yummy chocolate. Oh, it's a dinosaur. I love this dinosaur. Oh, Daddy, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much. Look, Mommy, how beautiful teddy bear was in my Kinder Surprise. Oh yes, Peppa, it's beautiful. But can I try your chocolate? Oh yes, Mommy. I love my chocolate too. But most of all, I like dinosaur. Ho ho ho. But I like this tasteful cake. Let's enjoy our tea party. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.